What up guys, my name is Nasi, welcome back to my channel. Hey, today I got another hair care routine for you guys, yo. Y'all showed mad love on my last curly hair routine video, so you know what I'm saying, I had to do another video for you guys. And today, we're gonna be trying out African Pride's products. Yo, big shout out to African Pride for sending over a box of goodies, you know? I'm lying, guys. I'm lying. They didn't send anything. I bought this completely with my own money. God win. So I wanted to go ahead and try African Pride's products because I heard a lot of good things about it. Everybody was gassing it up, saying it was this, it was that. So I was like, nah, let me go ahead and find out for myself. So let's not waste no time. Let's go ahead and get to it. So first they got the aloe and coconut water detangle and condition pre-shampoo. Then they got the honey and coconut oil nourish and shine shampoo. Then they got the honey, chocolate, and coconut nourish and restore conditioner. Next they got the coconut milk and honey hydrate and shine leave-in conditioner. The coconut oil and baobab oil hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream, the shea butter and flaxseed oil moisture and define curling cream, the Moroccan clay and shea butter detox and soften heat activated mask, and the castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oils. Me personally, I've never used a mask before, so I'm not gonna go ahead and use it when I do the routine. And I've also never used oil to oil up my scalp, so those last two I'm definitely not gonna use. But we're gonna go ahead and try the rest of the products. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get it started. First thing I'm gonna go ahead and use the aloe and coconut water detangle and condition pre-shampoo. The direction on the bottle says, before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair and distribute evenly. Use fingers or comb to detangle, rinse thoroughly. For especially dry or tangled hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Follow with Moisture Miracle Nourish and Shine shampoo. Man, when I tell you this product is amazing, like I've never heard of a pre-shampoo, but using this product definitely changed my life. Not one does it make it easier for you to pick out your hair and detangle it, but soon as I put this product in my hair, man, you can already feel the softness in it. Like it already was digging into my hairs and in my scalp. Like as I kept rubbing it in my hair, like it just made the whole detangling process so much easier. So I definitely recommend 10 out of 10. So after leaving it in my hair for 15 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed it out. Then I followed it up with the honey and coconut oil nourish and shine shampoo. So basically the directions say apply a generous amount to wet hair, massage into lather, rinse thoroughly, and repeat. Follow up with Moisture Miracle Nourish and Restore Conditioner. Yo, this thing works very well. I definitely am gonna replace what I'm using right now and use this one. Not only was this thing very helpful with detangling my hair, but oh man, the smell of this thing is outstanding, my guy. The smell of this thing goes crazy. So after massaging it into my hair and really cleaning out the dirt and whatnot, basically what I did was just go ahead and wash it out. And then I followed it up with the honey, chocolate, and coconut oil nourish and restore conditioner. So the directions say after shampooing with Moisture Miracle and Nourish and Shine shampoo, which I just already used, apply generously to wet hair. Massage into hair from roots to ends, detangle, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Follow up with any Moisture Miracle leave-in conditioner. Guys, when you first open this bottle, yeah, you already smell that honey, chocolate, and coconut oil all working within this bottle, yeah? So I was actually very excited to use this because I'm very big on conditioners. But this conditioner, guys, I am very sorry to inform you, yeah, that it just didn't do the job for me. One thing about it was I just felt like it just kind of sat on my hair instead of it didn't really get into my hair and make it softer. I just feel like the whole product was just sitting on top of my head and it wasn't doing anything, and it really didn't make my hair soft like I wanted to. In fact, I don't even think it did much. Like I feel like the shampoo made my hair a lot softer than the conditioner did. So guys, I don't know about this one. I really don't. I don't know about their conditioner. But the great thing about hair care and the different hair products is that some might work differently for others. You know what I'm saying? So just because it didn't work well for me doesn't mean it won't work well for you. And I've seen other people that have done it and say that it works really well for them. So I would not knock it until you try it. But me personally, I just feel like it didn't give me the softness and the moisture that I wanted, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So after applying the conditioner, I left it in. I actually did leave it in for 15 minutes. After doing that, I went ahead and washed my hair out. And then the next step was to use either one of the leave-in conditioners. So first they got the coconut milk and honey hydrate and shine leave-in conditioner, and then they got the coconut oil, baobab oil hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream. Honestly, I was a bit perplexed. Like, I didn't know which conditioner to go ahead and follow up with. I'm not really used to a spray on leave-in conditioner. I'm more used to a leave-in cream. You get me? But, you know what I'm saying? I went ahead and started off with the leave-in conditioner. It just made more sense to start off with the leave-in conditioner. The directions say shake well before using. On wet hair, spray generously. On clean hair, use wide tooth comb or fingers to distribute evenly. Style as desired. On dry hair, spray generously on dry hair to replenish moisture and refresh coils. Style as desired. So after that, I went ahead and applied my leave-in cream with coconut oil and baobab oil. Am I saying that right? Baobab oil? Baobab oil? Baobab? Whatever. I went ahead and applied the baobab oil. Directions say apply a generous amount to hands, rub together, smooth product into dry or damp hair from roots to ends. Do not rinse. Style as desired. Use as a daily moisturizer or layering with styling products. This thing, again, the smell is outstanding, guys. I'm not playing with you. If you look at the bottle, yeah, it says provides intense moisture. Intense moisture. When they said provides intense moisture, they was not playing at all, yo. This thing is definitely moisturizing, but I feel like it was too moisturizing for my hair. Usually when I start applying my leave-in cream and I start going in a circular motion like I normally do, I can already feel or see the curls forming. But with this one, it just felt like my hair was just straightening out. Like I wasn't getting the curl pattern that I wanted. If you check out my last curly hair routine video, already when I started applying the leave-in cream, you can already see the curls was forming. But with this one, I just felt like it was really just moisturizing my hair. I'm not gonna say this product doesn't work, but for me personally, I just feel like it didn't do what I needed it to do. You get what I'm saying? So I probably won't be using this as much as I really wanted to. But the smell, yeah, the smell, incredible. So the next thing I have is the curling cream. I figured, okay, maybe just since this leave-in cream wasn't really doing what I wanted it to do, maybe the curling cream will go ahead and work. The directions say section hair, which I'm definitely not gonna do because I don't have that much hair to be sectioning, but it says apply a small amount to hands, rub together, work product into dry or damp hair. Do not rinse. Style as desired. Perfect for twist out, braid outs, finger coils, rod sets, wash and goes. Yeah, the curling cream, I didn't feel like it added that intense curl pattern that I really wanted, like the Cantu does. As you can see, my hair wasn't really curly at this point yet like I really wanted it to, but I figured I'd bring out my secret ingredient, my sauce, the olive oil Eco Style Gel. This thing is the GOAT. It's the sauce, it's the secret ingredient that you need to get the curls that you want. I'm telling you, if you don't already have it, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and cop it right now. So I went ahead and got a good amount and applied it to my hair. You know what I'm saying? Working that circular motion like I normally do. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, yo, it took longer than usual and it took a lot more gel than I normally use on my hair to go ahead and get these curls to even start forming slightly. You know what I'm saying? But you know what? I can't even be upset about it. If you're looking for that moisture in your hair, you definitely need to cop this product. You will 100% feel the softness and the moisture in your hair. After applying the Eco Style Gel, I really didn't get too much of the curl pattern that I really wanted to. But the great thing about hair and hair care routines and different hair products is the fact that you don't have to use one specific line the whole time. Like, you don't have to stick with the Moisture Miracle line. You can take different products from whatever hairline and apply it to your routine to make one routine. So with that being said, the products that I'm definitely gonna take from this line is definitely the pre-shampoo. This pre-shampoo is definitely sticking with me. I'm gonna go ahead and use this before I do my wash days because this thing works amazingly. The next thing I'm definitely gonna go ahead and apply is that Honey and Coconut Nourish and Shine shampoo. I feel like it worked really well for my hair, and bruh, I can't even get over the smell of this thing. Like, it's crazy. And you know what? I might even take the leave-in conditioner just in case, like, you know, I go to sleep and I want to wake up my curls again. You know what I'm saying? I'll definitely spray this into my hair and go ahead and apply that. That's all I got for you guys, man. I just really wanted to do this video because you guys had questions about which other conditioners, which other shampoos that you could use if you couldn't find the product in my last curly hair routine video. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a like. If you want to leave a comment, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave that below. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. My name is Nas and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Be breezy.